This is my dad's air conditioner again, and now it's running under high heat load. And it's kind of dirty, so it's not just straight out, but kind of divert that way. So it's gonna need a clean soon, and as you can see, that's already on the side, but look. And yeah, this has changed position too, the indoor unit. The first time it was installed, it was there, and then moved there because my dad don't like the wind on his face when he sleeps, and now it's moved there, and it's like there. Okay. Yeah, it's very hot air coming out of this thing. I don't think it's condensating because it's on high fan mode. Let's see the indoor unit. That is the air conditioner inside. Used to be there, now it's there. First time it was installed, it was metal there. Can see a bit of difference in paint, I think. And it's moved there, second place, and now it's there. Because right in front of it, when it was there, is the bed. Here it's still close a bit. Now it's there, and it's perfect place. My dad doesn't know it can be moved there in the first place, but now he knows, so that's why he moved it. And it's under high heat load. It's running under high heat load. There's the refrigerator lines from outside there. Goes to the roof inside. Goes there. So here's the remote. 18. Cool mode. And that. What is that called? I forget. That makes it go upward. Look when I press this. I don't know. Goes straight. Press this, it goes more up. Yeah, so on 18 is coolest mode, and the fan is max already, and it can go like hyperdrive cooling mode or super cool mode, but I don't like that because it only lasts for 30 minutes and it's normal again. So I just instead use 18 degrees and max fan. So it's the coolest setting unless I use the super cooling thing. Yeah, so thank you for watching.